My name is Brian Hamilton, and I am a therapist associate at LifeSource Affordable Counseling. I graduated from Brandman University with an MA in psychology in 2019 and have been working at LifeSource Affordable Counseling first as a trainee and later as an associate since 2018. In 2019, I decided to try using tabletop role-playing games as part of play therapy with kids and adults. Having had a great deal of success using these interventions, I have been researching other ways to use these therapy techniques with clients. The reason I'm coming to you is because I would like to provide a therapeutic tabletop role-playing experience for your senior residents. The goal of this experience would be to provide seniors an opportunity to exercise their cognitive skills in a social setting. Dementia is a serious problem for many residents of senior living. It can result in a variety of mental health issues, including memory loss, poor judgment, difficulty communicating, difficulty problem solving, completing familiar tasks, misplacing items, emotional dysregulation, and withdrawal from social activities. There are several ways that research has demonstrated that we can stave off the cognitive decline that is associated with dementia. Some of these interventions can include monitoring cardiovascular health, physical activity, following a healthy diet, social activity, and engaging in cognitive tasks that challenge the brain. The group therapy sessions that I would want to provide would involve 4 to 8 participants in a 90-minute session. Residents would start the session with a check-in, giving them a chance to discuss what's going on in their lives and present issues that they're currently having. The residents would then engage in a 60-minute collaborative storytelling game using the Savage Worlds rule set. At the end of the session, clients would spend 15 minutes discussing the game and providing feedback on each other's performance. The first session would be dedicated to determining what type of game the residents would want to play. Role-playing games can be played using virtually any action-based theme. Residents might choose to play in a pulp action game from the 1940s, a science fiction game comparable to the Flash Gordon series, a game set in the Old West, or one that takes place in an historical war setting. Once residents have decided what kind of game they want to play, they will need to create characters for that game. These characters would interact in the world using the Savage Worlds rule set, and the clinician will provide clients with character sheets and a copy of the rules so that they can create their characters. For clients whose vision makes it difficult to see, clinicians can provide character sheets and rules in large print. The next step would be story creation. Residents would work together to decide what kind of story they want to tell, and the clinician would provide the residents with an appropriate gaming experience that incorporates those themes. The majority of the sessions will be dedicated to residents participating in a shared storytelling experience. The clinician will provide them with a storyline with villains and allies that the residents will interact with using the characters that they have created. When engaging in an action that requires some skill, residents will use dice to determine whether their characters are successful. For clients with vision or hearing problems, a group assistant will be on hand to assist them with reading the dice, character sheets, and to help interpret what the clinician is saying. Because senior residents are part of the at-risk population due to the COVID-19 pandemic, sessions would be conducted online using the Roll20 online gaming system until health guidelines make in-person sessions possible. Group assistants would need to set up a laptop and, if possible, hook it up to a television using an HDMI cable. In each session, senior residents will have an opportunity to socialize with others and to engage in high-level cognitive activities such as storytelling, improvisational acting, strategy, collaboration, and puzzle solving. If you are interested in hearing more about this proposal, please feel free to reach out to me. I have provided my contact information here on this slide. In closing, I would like to thank you for taking the time to consider this proposal, and I look forward to hearing from you.